Home remedies for white discharge in women.
Tulsi. Tulsi is a herbaceous plant having numerous medicinal properties. It is an age-old adopted solution used for the treatment of leukorrhea.
You can get rid of white discharge by regular consumption of basil leaves with milk. Alternatively, tulsi leaves juice mixed with honey, if taken twice a day, can help you to overcome the problem.
Pomegranate. This fruit has various benefits when it comes to health. It is very useful to prevent the white discharge.
Dried leaves of pomegranate if mixed with water to make the paste and taken each morning can help you to get away from leukorrhea. Second way is to consume it directly daily. And lastly, to have a glass of pomegranate juice. Either of these remedies, if followed up regularly, can give you results over a month.
Banana. Banana contains various mineral and has some elements to fight diseases too. The home remedy is easy to follow and provides a good hold to control the white discharge.
To control or stop the vaginal discharge, you must consume 1 or 2 ripe bananas daily.